Hi guys, good day guys. I'm here in front of you to share about why do you need to be happy despite of this pandemic. So there's a lot of things that we need to consider in order for us to be happy during this kind of pandemic. Just think of the things that makes you happy. So I would like to share to you the three things that makes my life happy and maybe ma-apply po na ninyo sa inyong life. So first is una-una kung paraasa na ang imong gibuhat. For example, kita mga students, paraasa mo nga itong gibuhat na eskwela tagtarong, diba? Parents, para mag-pay back sila sa ilang mga hard work. And yan na. So, reason nga nung magibuhat sa itong kinabuhi, mga itong family, itong barkada, para saan ka bumabangon. Kamu guys, para asa mo manibangon. So ako para sa akong pamilya. So malipay na ko maka-give back kanila sa ilang hard work. So ano, simple things. So second is think positive in everything that you do. So example, karon nga sem nahagbong ka nya. So kung kayo mo magpapa, so ayaw ka goal, just think positive. Bawi ta next sem, no? Dili pa na huli ang lahat, no? And then use it as motivation para next time imo nang tarungon or mas imo nang i-do imong best kay lagi di nakaganahan imong failure or ano, no? Just think positive and you'll be happy, guys. So third is be contented on what you have. Now, I'm not saying sayop ang mangandoy nga nindot nga kinabuhi, pero no, in moderation lang. If dili pa kaya, dili lang pugson, no? Kay you know, nadyo na bad effects or side effects kanang atong pugson sa kabutang nga dili pa pwede. So enjoy the things that you have right now. Kay daghan man mga tao nga kwartaan tod pero dili kayo sila happy, di ba? For example, kanang mga businessman, ilang mga anak for sure mabian din na nila sa ilang balay and wala na sila happy family time together. I'm not saying nga tanan, pero kasagaran, di ba? Kaya lagi business is business and needs to be done. So enjoy lang gud na ang life, no? Kung unsa ang nani mo rin kay for sure kung unsay nani mo mas wala sa ila, kung unsa sa nani lang wala pud ka. So life is a win-win situation and you need to do is to be proud of what you have. So nara ko ipahabol, guys. So in everything that you do, no, if successful man or happy man ka or sa dili, don't forget to praise God, because in everything that we do nadyo na siya, no, nakatabang na to and always na guide. So that is all for this video. I know short to siya kay lagi na time limit, but just be happy, guys. You deserve to be happy, guys, and be contented in what you have. Stay safe. God bless.